Today, I'm going to show you how to increase the resolution of an image in Photoshop 2024. If you ever try to print or upload something and receive a low resolution warning, this is how you can fix it. Open your image in Photoshop. Go to the image menu at the top of the screen. Select Image Size from the drop-down menu. Once the image size dialog box is open, adjust the resolution. You'll see an option to change the resolution, usually set in pixels per inch ppi. If you're preparing the image for print, a good resolution is typically 300 ppi. For web use, 70 ppi is often sufficient.
Then click OK.
Save your image now.